Dear friends and faithful believers, with hearts brimming with hope, gratitude, and unwavering faith, we extend our warmest welcome to each of you who have gathered here today on this channel. This is more than just a digital space, it is a sanctuary where we come together to reflect, find unity, and nurture our spiritual growth as a community united in faith. Whether you have joined us in search of solace, inspiration, or a deeper connection to our shared beliefs, may this moment be one of peace and renewal. May the boundless peace and grace of our Lord Jesus Christ embrace your hearts, granting you the strength to face life's trials, the wisdom to navigate its complexities, and the serenity to cherish its blessings, now and always. In recent news, a powerful earthquake shook the western outskirts of Ferndale, a quaint and picturesque city nestled in the coastal region of Humboldt County, California. This serene town, located approximately 209 kilometers from the Oregon border, found itself at the epicenter of nature's formidable force. The United States Geological Survey recorded the earthquake's significant magnitude, highlighting its far-reaching impact. The tremors extended southward, with residents as far away as San Francisco, situated some 435 kilometers from Ferndale, reporting that they felt the ground quaking beneath them for several seconds. This seismic event, however, did not end with a single tremor. In its aftermath, a series of smaller aftershocks rippled through the region, further underscoring the intensity of the initial quake and reminding us of the Earth's dynamic and unpredictable nature. These events not only highlighted the vulnerability of the affected communities but also their resilience in the face of such challenges. Let us keep the people of Ferndale and the surrounding areas in our thoughts and prayers as they navigate the aftermath of this event. May they find the strength to rebuild, the courage to persevere, and the support of a compassionate and caring community. Together, we are reminded of the importance of faith, preparedness, and unity in times of uncertainty. Remarkably, there were no immediate reports of major damage or casualties caused by the seismic activity. However, this earthquake, registering a magnitude of 7.0, stands as the strongest in California since the 7.1 magnitude quake that struck Ridgecrest in 2019. In response, authorities swiftly issued a tsunami warning that remained in effect for approximately 1 hour. This advisory spanned a considerable 805-kilometer stretch from Monterey Bay in California to northern Oregon. The warning detailed the potential for powerful waves and strong currents to impact the coastline, urging residents to avoid coastal waters and move to higher ground or further inland. Several towns enacted precautionary evacuations, with residents heeding calls to relocate to safer areas. Images circulating on social media revealed household items and goods tumbling from shelves in Ferndale, a town of approximately 1,400 residents. The USGS pinpointed the earthquake's epicenter at a depth of 10 kilometers beneath the Earth's surface, emphasizing its proximity to this coastal community. Further, the U.S. authorities issued a tsunami alert along an 800-kilometer stretch of coastline, encompassing areas from Dune City, Oregon, to San Francisco and San Jose in California. An estimated 4.7 million residents across California and Oregon received tsunami warnings before the alert was rescinded after 90 minutes. In anticipation of potential risks, local governments in coastal towns urged the evacuation of low-lying areas, ensuring the safety of vulnerable populations. Governor Gavin Newsom expressed concern over potential damage in Northern California, promptly declaring a state of emergency to allocate resources and assistance to affected regions. Despite the significant magnitude of the earthquake, initial reports thankfully confirmed that there were no major injuries or widespread property damage in the affected areas. This fortunate outcome, given the strength of the quake, was a source of relief to residents and authorities alike. However, social media platforms quickly filled with images and accounts from Ferndale, offering a glimpse into the disruption caused by the event. Many posts showed household items and goods scattered across floors, shelves emptied by the force of the tremors. These scenes reflected the immediate impact of the quake on daily life, even as larger-scale destruction was mercifully avoided. Troy Land, a dedicated member of Ferndale's volunteer fire department, recounted the harrowing moments of the earthquake with palpable emotion. "It was such a powerful quake that the only thought was to run outside as fast as possible." His words vividly convey the fear and urgency that gripped so many during those critical moments, reflecting the raw unpredictability and overwhelming nature of such seismic events. The quake's suddenness left little room for anything but instinctive action, as people sought safety amid the chaos. This earthquake stands as a sobering reminder of the sheer magnitude and unpredictability of nature's forces. It underscores the vital importance of preparedness not only in safeguarding homes and lives but also in cultivating a collective mindset of vigilance and readiness. Yet resilience in the face of such adversity goes beyond material preparation. It calls for the nurturing of a spirit of unity, compassion, and mutual support within our communities, recognizing that no one should face such challenges alone. As we reflect on this event, let us turn our hearts and minds toward the affected communities, lifting them up in our prayers. May they find solace, courage, and hope through their faith in Jesus Christ, who remains our steadfast rock in times of uncertainty and turmoil. In moments of despair, His presence provides comfort and His teachings inspire us to act with love and selflessness. Let this incident serve as a call to action not only to reinforce our emergency measures but also to strengthen the bonds of solidarity that unite us. When we place our trust in God's providence and align our efforts with His will, we are reminded that even the most daunting of challenges can be met with grace and perseverance. Through the enduring power of faith in Jesus and the support of a caring community, we can emerge from adversity with renewed strength, purpose, and unity, ever mindful of His promise to walk with us through life's storms.